We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, backup camera, traction control, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.